Welcome to Rizzy Kids Play. Let's make a Christmas tree using wools, A4 paper and cardboards. Let's see how to make it. Get 10 by 20 green color cardboard and mark the semicircle like this. Now separate out the semicircle and make the cone like this. Let's make the leaves of the tree. For that, fold the A4 paper and wrap around the walls like this. Now, glue one of the edges and cut out the other edge. Next, cut out a circle to the size of the cone and glue it in. Now glue the leaves around the cone. Make this star like this and hang it on the top of the tree. Now use the paper roll to make the stem of the tree. Then glue a green color A4 paper on the cardboard circle. Finally, fix the tree like this and decorate as you wish. You have a beautiful Christmas tree. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.